Your apartment, Scape Waymouth. When you put your card in, it'll activate all of your electricity. As you can see, it is very spacious. You get your own TV, you get your own study table, you get your own wardrobe, giving you a whole view of the apartment, and going to the kitchen spaces for your cutlery. So you can put your knives, fork, whatever you desire, and a 2 stovetop. Freezer, you get 2 shelves in the kitchen cabinet washroom.